What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with the app Lifestyle, the place where the world is literally in the palm of your hands. And y'all haven't seen me in a while, and I got a lot of interesting things to share with y'all. I'm actually pretty excited. So, first things first is I'm not used to doing this little mobile setup I have going. You notice I'm not in my set, I'm not in my car. We'll get into that in a minute. But if you notice the camera is a little off or anything like that, just realize there's a learning curve to filming on the go. So if y'all have any tips or tricks y'all want to share or feedback, by all means, let me know. I'll be looking to make improvements in the near future. Now, swinging back to why am I not in my set or why am I not in my car? Well, I'm actually in a Airbnb, and not because I'm renting one. This is actually my personal Airbnb that I'm renting out to other people. Yes, Elijah is in it's called the rental arbitrage business. And this gets me very excited because in between cleaning fees, I'm getting ahead of myself. So for the past few months, I've still been driving for Uber Eats with Doordash as a backup on a part-time basis while I've started to get the Airbnb ready. Now, it's been a large working process, but the good news is it's finally done. In fact, I have my first booking coming up later today. That's excited, or I'm very excited about that. If y'all want to take a look at the Airbnb, the listing is actually below. And if y'all want to give me feedback, by all means, that's welcome too. Now, exactly how does this crowbar into the app Lifestyle? Well, it gets me excited because for the longest time, prior to getting this Airbnb ready, I'm gonna be honest, fellas, like I didn't have much of a need to get out there and do Uber Eats and Doordash because y'all probably know I make a lot of money online now. But I do enjoy it, but I wasn't really finding a way to fit it into my schedule. And when I decided to hop into this rental arbitrage game, this is a great opportunity to do so because this isn't going to be my only unit. I'm going to have other units eventually. And I don't plan on outsourcing the cleaning for a while. So after someone comes, stays in the Airbnb and checks out, obviously the place needs to be cleaned up. So I'm going to personally be doing the cleaning, which is nothing new to me. I was actually a janitor for my aunt's janitorial business in high school. So I know how to clean. It's nothing like new. But in between cleanings, that would be the perfect time to do delivery, do Uber Eats, do DoorDash. And especially even if the cleaning, let's say I just have one unit to clean that day, that's not going to take that long. Well, would I really want to go back home? Probably not. I would probably just want to go ahead and stay in Dallas and just for the rest of the day do deliveries. So that gets me pretty excited because I'm able to fit it in my schedule in a very organic way. And that means I can start bringing y'all fresh content again. But we're going to mix it up because we don't want to do exactly the same thing. So the original plan, as I shared in not my last video, but when I shared my last channel direction video, I kind of shared that I wanted to buy a car cash and then keep track of the expenses, show how long it would take for me to get in the black, which in business means that I'm making more than I spent on the car. But if y'all have gone shopping for cars recently, you know that the car market for buyers is crap right now. You have used cars selling for full price, the same price as a new car. Now, the pandemic has a lot to do with that. There's a lot of social politics we're not going to get into. I'm just going to say that market's crap right now, so it doesn't make sense to buy a cash car or even finance a car right now, if we're going to be honest. So that plan kind of went out the window. But I've decided that the money I'm going to be using for deliveries, I'm actually going to just use that money and invest it in the stock market, in my stock portfolio. And I would love to track that and share that with y'all. Because one thing I preach on this channel and also my other channel, Financial Anatomy, is to take a portion of your income and start investing it in the stock market so you can start, getting some money off of investments. And if you want to, this could be the means to fund your retirement or put a little icing on the cake. Well, why not just show y'all what I'm doing personally? Now, this is going to be for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am looking forward to sharing this with y'all. If y'all want to set something up similarly, boom. I'll do whatever I can to help you do that. So in other words, I'm going to be doing Uber Eats and DoorDash in between cleaning sessions with this Airbnb business. And I'll be taking that money every week and investing it in the stock market in my portfolio. I'll make a separate video breaking down like what stocks am I investing in. But that's going to be the new game plan, and I'm very excited about this. That means there's going to be weekly updates. Y'all get to see the portfolio grow. And every now and then I will drop some Uber Eats tips and some DoorDash tips. I kind of miss Postmates being my backup app because y'all know I used to do Uber Eats and Postmates would be my backup app, but they're gone. They're part of Uber Eats now, so we got DoorDash, but a lot of y'all have been asking me to jump into DoorDash anyway, so I guess the universe conspired to give y'all what y'all wanted. Elijah is going to talk about DoorDash. Okay, so that does it for this video. Y'all got any questions or comments, leave them below. And hopefully next week I'll be able to start driving in the sense of taking that money, investing it into the stock market and showing y'all, because I'm going to use a particular system, and anyone who wants to do this method, I recommend you use this system too. I'm not going to give it away. We're going to save that for the next video, but this is just a quick update video. So I will catch y'all in the next one. If anything I said excites you and you're new, you want us to hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when new videos come out. If you found a video valuable, you want to hit the thumbs up. That's greatly appreciated. Catch you in the next one. Be safe, be profitable.